Before the hum of dryers and jingle of quarters, laundry was hard. Like, beat your clothes on a rock hard. Today, laundromats are a staple of city life. But how did we get from riverside scrubbing to self-service machines that text you when your clothes are done? Stick around, because the story of laundromats is a tale of innovation, community, and a future that's more high-tech than you'd expect. Long before laundromats, laundry meant elbow grease. Ancient civilizations scrubbed clothes on stones by the river. That meant hauling heavy buckets of water, pounding clothes against rocks, and using sand or ash as early soap. By the 1800s, many European towns had washhouses, communal stone basins fed by natural springs where washerwomen gathered to clean clothes, and of course, catch up on the latest neighborhood news. It wasn't just a chore, it was a social event, an essential part of weekly life. And yet, it was exhausting. Clothes were boiled, scrubbed, wrung out by hand, and hung out to dry, rain or shine. Then came the Industrial Revolution. Washing machines, hand-cranked, bulky, and far from user-friendly, began easing the burden. In 1908, the first electric-powered washing machine was patented. But make no mistake, these early machines were loud, clunky, and far from safe. Some didn't even come with enclosed motors. It was a start, but not a solution. Then came 1934. In Fort Worth, Texas, a small storefront with just 4 electric washing machines opened to the public. Customers could rent time on a machine by the hour. The store was dubbed Washateria, a clever mix of wash and cafeteria. The price? Just a few cents. This idea caught fire. It wasn't just about convenience, it was about access. Most Americans couldn't afford electric washers, let alone install one in their home. But with the Washateria, modern laundry was suddenly within reach. No more scrubbing, no more boiling water, no more hauling roads to a relative's house. It was cheap, it was easy, and it was revolutionary. Within a few years, Washaterias spread throughout Texas. Entrepreneurs saw the opportunity. New stores popped up across the state, each adding more machines, staying open longer hours, and improving the experience bit by bit. Then, in 1940, Westinghouse Electric and a marketer named George Edward Pendray coined a new term, laundromat, blending laundry and automat. It caught on instantly. The big leap came in 1947. Harry Greenwald invented a timing device that could be attached to machines, allowing customers to simply drop a coin in to start a wash. Coin-operated laundry machines meant unattended laundromats, 24-hour access, no staff required. By the 1950s, laundromats had exploded across the U.S. In every town, on every corner, the local laundromat became part of the neighborhood landscape. And they weren't just places to wash clothes. They were places to meet your neighbors, trade stories, and catch up on life. Parents brought kids, teens brought dates, college students camped out with homework. Some laundromats added vending machines, snack bars, even jukeboxes. The goal? Make waiting for laundry less of a chore and more of an experience. Globally, the trend took off too. In 1949, London's first self-serve laundrette opened in Queensway. Other countries followed, adjusting the model to fit their cities and cultures. In the US, laundromats added drop-off services, ironing, and dry cleaning add-ons to stay competitive. Machines got larger, faster, and could handle huge comforters or bulky uniforms. In the 1980s, the industry had matured. In the UK, there were over 12,000 laundrettes in operation. And in the US, laundromats were woven into the fabric of urban life. But with maturity came challenge. In the late 20th century, more people bought home washers and dryers. Suburban living reduced reliance on laundromats. The industry needed to adapt, and adapt it did. Modern laundromats got a facelift. Gone were the flickering lights and cracked linoleum. In came sleek design, bright spaces, flat-screen TVs, and free Wi-Fi. Some even had massage chairs. And the payment model evolved too. While quarters still cling to life, more laundromats now accept cards, mobile payments, and even digital apps that tell you when the washer is free or your clothes are ready. Some owners took it further, merging laundromats with cafes, juice bars, and co-working spaces. Want to sip a latte and answer emails while your towels spin? There's a place for that. It's not just about washing anymore. It's about how and where you spend your time. The chore has become part of the lifestyle. So what does the future look like for laundromats? Think cleaner, greener, and smarter. Eco-efficiency is leading the way. New machines use 70% less water and less power than their predecessors. Solar-powered laundromats are already popping up in sunny cities. And detergent? It's getting an upgrade too, with more eco-friendly, biodegradable options entering the mainstream. But it's not just sustainability. It's convenience too. Pickup and delivery laundry is booming. You schedule a pickup online, your clothes are cleaned at a local laundromat and delivered back folded and fresh. Some are experimenting with 24/7 smart lockers. Drop your laundry anytime, get a text when it's done, and pick it up with a code. Others are testing AI-powered maintenance to keep machines running smoother and longer. Even laundromats are going digital, with franchises and chains rolling out app-based membership models and loyalty rewards. From riverside rocks to solar-powered washers, the laundromat has gone through an incredible transformation. It's more than just a place to clean clothes. It's a story about access, community, and staying relevant through innovation. So the next time you're tossing a load into the wash, take a moment to appreciate just how far we've come and where we're heading. If you've enjoyed this journey through time, hit that like button, subscribe. Let us know in the comments, what's the coolest laundromat you've ever been to? And perhaps share this little bit of history with a friend who maybe you've had a special memory made in a laundromat with them.